Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can install add-ons in World of Warcraft. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do here is to open a browser, and then you need to go to curseforge.com and get CurseForge app. Press on it, select download standalone, wait for a couple of seconds, and then after it's downloaded, press install. Then select language, press next, then accept here. Accept and install, and wait until download process and installation process is done. Here you need to select no thanks and then wait again. Then select World of Warcraft. If you're playing Midnight, should be retail. If you're playing Classic, select, for example, if you have two options, then select Classic ever here. Then what you need to do here is to go to Discover or Browse and then install a mod, right? So install the mod, wait until installation process is done. And after that, that's basically what you need to do here. Then you just need to load the game and the mod will be in your game. So when you in the game, just press escape, go to add-ons, and as you can see here, add-on is here. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care.